बेसिक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। आज हम सब बेसिक इंग्लिश के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पहला पॉइंट ग्रामर। ग्रामर का डेफिनेशन पहले हम पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट इट व्हाट आर लेटर्स, वर्ड्स, सेंटेंस एंड पैराग्राफ। पूरा हम व्हाट आर लेटर क्या होता है, सेंटेंस क्या, उसका पैराग्राफ क्या होता है, उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। दूसरा आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस। 6 टाइप के होते हैं, तो हम आपको बताएंगे कौन कौन से होते हैं। थर्ड नॉन पर्सन चॉइस ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस एंड जेंडर। फोर्थ नॉन सेंटेंस without use of verb and modal actual duration. Fifth point parts of speech: noun, adjective, articles, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. अपना 6 पॉइंट है टाइम्स एंड सेंटेंस, सॉरी टेंस, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर। इसके बाद हमारा दूसरा पॉइंट है आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ WH, टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ड एंड यूसेस। First is how, which, when, who, how many, how much, with whom, to whom, of whom, whose, which one. See, active and passive voice. आप लोगों को तो पता ही होगा थोड़ा बहुत इसके बारे में। ये 8 प्रकार 8 टेंस होते हैं, ये मॉडल एक्सरीज होते हैं। Present identified tense, present identified present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense, future indefinite tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. ये हमारा पैसिव वॉइस है। D, some important use in English. घंटा can have can have been, can be, can have to, could have, could have been, could be, could have to, may have been, maybe, may have to, might have been, might be, might have to, should have, should be, have to, must have been, must be, have, must have to. Could have, could have been, could be, could have to, is to, am to, are to, was to, were to, is to, have to, we have to, have. 11 point have to, has to. 12 point have to be, has to be, had to. 13 point had to be. 15 shall have to, will have to. 16 points shall have to be, will have to be. ये सब वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप सब लिख के रख लेना किसी बुक में और बाद में रिवाइज करते रहना। अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं इंग्लिश ग्रामर में। आई होप आप लोग को पसंद आता होगा। ये हमारा अगला पॉइंट है, फिफ्थ पॉइंट, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग इंग्लिश फॉर दोज हु डू नॉट हैव बेसिक आइडिया। जिसको कुछ भी बेसिक आइडिया नहीं पता हो उनके बारे में सब। प्रैक्टिस ऑन Barakari and alphabets. Second, detailed focus on vowels and consonant. Third point, Hindi words writing how it works. Fourth point, English word writing how it works. Grammar, English grammar is the way in which meaning and encode the word in the English language. This include in the structure of word paraphrase, thus and sentence right of the structure of whole text. There are structural, social, culture, and regional variation of English. It also tell us in below how to speak correctly, how to read correctly, how to write correctly, how to listen correctly. It is very important for those students who not have very thick idea for English. Letters and alphabet, a sort of letters of symbols in a fixed order used to represent the basic set of speech sound of language, especially the set of letters from A to Z. All 26 alphabet combined vowels and consonant all called letter. 1 point thought words, a combination of vowels and consonant which makes of complete sense are called words. 1.4 sentence, a combination of words which makes a complete sentence sense are called sentence. Fifth point, a paragraph is a unit of writing in large body of work. A paragraph expresses a particular express a particular topic of them. Express a particular topic for them. There are 6 types of sentence which are bifurcated below. As our name of sentence example in English. What is sentence? There are 6 types of sentence which is bifurcated below. Name of sentence, one side, and other side example in English. Affirmative sentence, affirmative negative sentence, single single interrogative sentence, single interrogative negative sentence, double interrogative sentence, double interrogative negative sentence. Thanks for watching. Keep support and likes my video and subscribe. Thank you.